Hi guys, today we're going to take a look at Samsung's laser printer model SL-C513. It comes with your power adapter cable and printer cable. It's a color laser printer that can print up to 18 pages per minute in black and white or 4 pages per minute in color. It supports A4, A5 letter and legal. It has a backdoor hatch to access any paper jams, as well as a top hatch, easy access to paper jams or to your toner. You can access your 4 toners, yellow, red, blue, and black. And don't forget to give it a nice little shake before you use it for the first time. It's easy to take out and simply slide it back in and load your paper tray. And again, simply pull it out to remove it and slide it back in. Plug in all your cables. To turn on the printer, hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and to turn it off, do the same thing. And download the printer device drivers and install the Easy Print Manager software. Everything is accessible at the Samsung webpage, and you can download it for your appropriate operating system. And once you have installed it, you're ready to go. And I will show you a couple of test prints in black and white, as well as in color. And as you can see, it turns out nice and clear. The print quality is very high. The colors are very vivid and strong. And so if you're looking for a very simple, user-friendly color laser printer, take a look at the Samsung SL-C513 model. And one more really good thing about this printer is that the toner cartridges are refillable. They have a seal on the side where you can open it up and simply refill it when you purchase refillable toners, which cost a lot less than to have to buy the entire cartridges new. I got refillable toner bottles for about $20. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Check for the links in my description as well. See you in the next one.